Guys, what is happening, and welcome back to a brand new video. So today what we're doing, we've got some goodies off Airtec for the Mk7 Golf. So what we're fitting today is a turbo muffler delete, which is this little goodie here, and this little rubber. And then because all like VAG cars suffer with this, we have got a little dog bone mount. When you launch it, wheel spin, anything like that, the wheels hop like crazy. My brother did it on his Cupra, and honestly it's a game changer. So definitely, if you've got a Cupra or a VAG car, definitely dog bone mount is the one must do mod as well. These are only cheap, to be fair, and it is a massive difference. So yeah, I'm just going to show you how to fit turbo muffler delete and the dog bone mount today. So yeah, let me bring you along on the video, and let's get to it. So sweet.
Lovely. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to jack up the Golf from the jacking point, which is there. So to be fair, I do need a nice new jack. Aaron's been telling me for donkeys to get a Costco one, but I'm a broke ass bitch, so we're still using this one. So yeah, let's jack her up just so we can slide underneath there, get the axle stand for safety. Let's go. So we're all jacked up, time to get under the car. Let's have a look, got axle stand and everything. So basically the little kitten you're looking at is literally that there. So we're going to undo that bolt, and the insert is going to drop straight into there, and then happy days.
I think it's a 14mm.
Yeah.
Right then, so it is a 21mm socket. So what I've done, because it's very tight, breaker bar, cracked it with a breaker bar, and then hopefully now easy as. So I do recommend replacing the bolt, as it's like a stretch bolt, but as it's Aaron's car, we don't give a fuck. No, we do, but Aaron don't. So yeah, let's drop this out and then get the insert in. Literally squeezes in like that, like a glove, mate. Oh yes. Fancy a bit of Airtec, or right? So we should really Loctite this and use a new bolt, but send it. Oh, yeah, there we go. Oh man, that's perfect. That is absolutely. And then obviously as we tighten this up, yep, it's going to just fall out like that.
What the mad thing is?
What?
People think you're actually a professional that knows what you're doing.
And I ain't got a clue.
You
And I don't claim to either, so fuck it.
You know when you're threading a bolt in.
I know. I'm just trying to see if I can push this forward a bit. Ooh, that's fucking hot. That's hot. Come on. There we go. We're on. Oh, is it even doing up? Best be doing up, man. I swear to God, I'll lose my fucking shit if it don't.
You dare scratch that paint?
I won't scratch nothing, so getting a bit of resistance now. It's a very long bolt. I have been here for about half an hour in reality. Come on, stud. Mate, I swear to God, if I stop this and this falls out now, I'll be absolutely livid. I don't think so. Whoa, come on, get on. Doing up a what, son, man? Jesus. You gotta be having me pants down here. It's the longest fucking thread in the world, huh? Right then, so literally, so you could probably be better off doing this with a friend, because you have to like try and push the engine back, because as soon as you undo the dog bone mount, the engine decides to slide forwards just enough that the bolt won't go in. So literally I was holding on to the bottom of the plastic oil can thingy bob. I'm Mongol, honest to God. Oil thingy bob.
Sump.
You best get out. Lovely. Take off this Airtec induction kit. So the induction kit is the whole thing you see here, and even the turbo elbow there. So
yeah, gonna whip that off, get it all off, so hopefully get to the muffler delete, which is hiding down there somewhere. So first port of call, I'll link the video in the description if you want to watch how to install an induction kit, and you can just swap it over, easy as that. Let's have a go. Move the induction kit out of the way. This is where we're at. We're after this little bad boy down here. So this is solid plastic intercooler pipework, and there is a bracket. You can see the bolt just chilling there, so we're going to undo that, and then hopefully we'll start undoing this and get it out of the way. So yeah, as you can see, it's a little TX bit, and then pull her out. Oh, there we go, easy as that. All I can hear is the fucking number plate. Yeah. Right, so let's crack her off. Yep. I've been mic'd. Man, that was like loose as fuck, that is.
Oh, that's why we're not making any boost.
I literally just cracked that and it's come out. Yeah. So yeah, TX, 3 TX bits.
All I can see is your hand.
Yep. There you go, that's it, easy as.
One, probably one, there's probably one down there.
Oh, where the fuck are the other ones at? Well then, so literally easy as that. So we put the Allen, put it back in. There you go, cheeky Airtec thing. Done the silicone hose up, the induction kit pipe. Induction kit pipe, what the fuck am I on about? Right then, so the turbo muffler delete is in, and then we've put the silicone hose in, and then the pipe work for the intercooler, which is there with a bolted back up. The bracket is done up now. Now it's just time to put the induction kit back on, and then happy days.
Right then, so we're just taking it for a casual little drive, straight off the bat. He's drove it before me, so straight off the bat, a little bit of vibration. It's not massive, it's not like solid mounts. Any of you follow me from the McGann, I had solid mounts and it was horrendous. It's only a little bit of vibration, nothing with the build quality of the Golf. It doesn't really seem to, it's not that bad. I could deal with it anyway, so if it was mine, I'd be well happy. He did say it feels a bit tighter, so if the mount's flexing anyway, I'm guessing this insert is going to make it more solid and rigid, so that's why the front suspension feels a lot more sharper. We have noticed now, instead of it hopping, so it goes it seems like it's trying to dig away at the tarmac to try and grip a bit better. Like, I'm not even going to try and pull away in second now with wet tyres, but it's definitely fights for grip more than it before it used to bounce. Yeah, I'm not too sure on the turbo muffler. It might actually make a difference. It's not making like a huge amount of sound difference, but yeah, it's ready. Second gear, 3,000 RPM. Man, even when you let off, it's like, whoa, like it still wants to go, man.